Okay, now let's dive into the second part, which is a live demo. Uh, as you can see, after I run Terraform initialize in both the Hadoop folder and the Jenkins SonarCube folder, there are several Terraform related files being generated. And after I run the Terraform apply here, here is the plan for the Jenkins SonarCube cluster. I will scroll down real quick. Feel free to pause and check. Okay. After like about 10 minutes, I got my cluster generated automatically successfully. And I did the same to the Hadoop cluster, and it's also made here. Let's double check this in the GCP's UI. As you can see, if we go to our Kubernetes engine clusters, and yeah, the Jenkins SonarCube cluster is here. And if we check the IP 3423.223, it's the same one because it's automatically generated by the Terraform. Okay, let's double check the data proc. Yeah, we can see the cluster is here. And yeah, after this, let's go to our service. And we can find the Jenkins endpoint and the SonarCube endpoint. And after clicking this one, actually, this is the same as this one. I just run a pipeline by myself before the video to check everything works. But no worries, I will go through everything again. If we click on Jenkins and manage Jenkins and went to the credentials, you will find that I've already set up the SonarCube global token and GKE credentials JSON here. These two are crucial because these two are what is used here, the GKE credential JSON and the Sonar global token in the pipeline file. And yeah, let's do a new pipeline. Let's go back to our Jenkins, new item. Let's call it pipeline 2. And select the pipeline option. Okay. As I mentioned in class, we can do this step manually, and I will just copy the whole pipeline Groovy file here and save it. And let's click on the build now. And as you can see, pipeline is being built right now, and it has already passed the GCP authentication, has already cloned the repository, which is this one we used. Here's our mapper, which is a super basic one, and we have our reducer, which just count how many times a word occurs in a text file. Here's our input text file, which is apple, banana, apple, blah, blah. And let's go back to our pipeline. Yeah, at this point, you can see that the SonarCube analyst stage is completed and successful. Also for the SonarCube quality gate check. So by this time, we should see something in the SonarCube's UI. If we click on that and refresh it. As you can see, this latest analysis is like 51 seconds ago, and everything passed. Nothing severe happens, so we can deploy this Hadoop MapReduce on the data proc. And let's just wait for the Jenkins to do that. And to make it more live, we can go to the stage log, I think. Actually, click on this one and the console output. At this place, you can see a live build based on the console output. as you can see above, we have the map progress being processed, and have the reduce process being processed as well. And yeah, that's seems like a success. Perfect. Let's go back to our pipeline and check here. Yeah, we made it. And let's go back to our we store the output as mentioned in the first part in the Google Cloud Storage bucket. So if we go to the storage buckets and go to the one we used, we can check that here. It's called staging US MAULSBEY. We will find this one. Yeah, exactly this one. And we will find that here's our mapper, here's our reducer, and our input.txt, which is cloned from this repo automatically in the pipeline. And if we check the result, which is the map reduce output, if we download the results, as you can see, as I just did here, and open it, here's the result for like apple and banana orange, and with their occurrence times. This is our final functionality, which is a trigger for our GitHub action. And as you see, I just update both the mapper and reducer, add some new lines here. And after I do a git commit, and push it to our test GitHub repo, and refresh this, you can see there is a new action being triggered just right now. And if we go back to the pipeline and refresh it, we can see that it automatically rerun the pipeline 2 again. The reason why we run the pipeline 2 is because in our main.yaml we have set the job name to pipeline 2, and this URL is the URL for our Jenkins endpoint. And let's just wait for the pipeline to be finished. Okay, from this point, as we showed before, we have finished our SonarQube analysis. So our SonarQube UI should show something right now. If we click on the project, we can see, yeah, this is just triggered again like 53 seconds ago. And based on the SonarQube's check, everything is good, because we just added some new lines to our code. And let's just wait for the Hadoop to finish. Yeah, as we can see, the map jobs are all done, and the reduced jobs are all done again. And the final result is a success. if we go to our data proc and go to the right bucket and check the result, it should be the same process as we did before. In the map reduce output, now it's like 10:05 p.m. We can just see that the results is just updated at 10:05 p.m., which means we successfully automatically triggered the GitHub action. Thanks for watching.